Morning everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today, as I film this, because obviously I'm a bit out of sync, is Saturday and we have woken up to hopefully surviving storm, whatever it is called. Is it Dara? Something like that, I don't know. I've never known winds like it, I really haven't. Yeah, it's just been intense, but I think we've survived it, hopefully. Not too much damage. It blew the bedroom light, which was not fun, but thankfully I was already in bed, so it wasn't like I was doing anything in particular. But I am meant to be going out tonight, so I've kind of just got to wait and see if it's still on, if you can still get to it. Like, yeah, I just don't know, because I know that we're quite lucky where we are, but it doesn't mean everyone else is, so I just have to wait and see on that one. It is 9 o'clock, so we slept not too bad. I kept waking up because of the wind, but like it wasn't too bad, you know. I've just got to try and sort out the bedroom light because, like I said, I'm going out tonight, so I'm going to want the light on when I get ready. That took a while. Yeah, when I get ready, and obviously right now I can't put the light on, so that needs sorting out today. But yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna have a chill day. Me and Ellie are gonna have a shower in a little bit. But Ash is still asleep at the minute, so I've got to talk quietly. Just making Nellie's milk pops, my cup of tea, and yeah, just gonna sit and chill. And then I need to edit those 2 videos tonight for Vlogmas. So that's like one thing off my mind, especially because I don't know what the Wi-Fi is actually going to be like. It seems to be playing Miss Rachel through the TV, all right. So that's one saving grace. But yeah, I don't know what like upload is going to be like. So I need to do that really sooner rather than later. But I think we're just on the tail end of the storm now. Because it's just starting to hit like the north, so yeah, I think we'll be alright. Well, it is a lot later now, a hell of a lot later. It is actually nearly 3 o'clock, and you might be able to tell, but I've just had a shower. I'm going to start getting ready probably about 5ish. I might paint my nails a little bit before if I get a chance to. Nellie is not in the best of moods today. I think maybe her teeth are hurting her, I'm not 100% sure, but she's quite whingy and whiny. But we just had a bit of a chill one, to be honest. Sat and watched an episode of The Crown because we're still working our way through that. So yeah, still watching that, and then I'm gonna watch Virgin River from the beginning. I know the new series comes out in literally like days, pretty much, but I'm gonna watch it from the beginning and then watch the new series. So yeah, that's pretty much all we've really done. Not really anything else. Obviously, like this morning I played with Nellie and caught up on I'm a Celebrity. And yeah, before I knew it, it was her nap time. It's still quite stormy here. The storm has broke apparently. It was due to break about 12 o'clock, or like at least become like the middle of the storm, if that makes sense. So we're getting the aftermath now, which isn't too bad. It's a lot less windy, that's for sure. I think Nellie's climbing into something that she shouldn't by the sound of it. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna dry my hair. I was hoping to curl it tonight, so I need to kind of get it dry enough that I don't singe any parts. So I'm gonna dry it and then go downstairs, maybe have a cup of tea, paint my nails, enjoy my time with Nellie. I'm looking forward to going out tonight. Not in this weather, I must say. I'm hoping it calms down a little bit, but like I'm looking forward to having some time out of the house, not being mum. But at the same time, I'm literally like, I'm gonna miss putting her to bed. Like, I don't know, but it's just one night, isn't it? So that's the only night I've got in my diary at the minute of like being away from Nelly, so I haven't got too much to worry about in that sense. But yeah, in terms of like my chat, was it yesterday, about drinking more water, as you can tell, it hasn't really happened. I think I've had 2 sips of it because this was yesterday's water, this isn't even today's water. So that's not going very well, but I'm going to try and drink some more so that I'm not like thirsty when I get to the party. I'm not even sure if I mentioned it, it's like an ABBA-themed night, so yeah, I'll show you like my outfit a bit later on when I get ready, but yeah, so it should be a good night. And yeah, I just don't want to be like really thirsty, because obviously that's when you have to buy drinks, whereas if I can quench my thirst now, then I can just enjoy a drink or two and it not matter so much. So that is the plan, which has just reminded me as well, I need to get my pyjamas out of Nelly's room, otherwise I won't have any later.
Christmas lights are all around, I can see them now. It's like they spell your name, it's insane. Now we're back here once again, holidays and cheer, but now I got my eye set on you.
Well, that's it, pretty much dry. My roots look like they need doing already, but I think it's just more the light than anything else, possibly, I don't know. Not sure, but anyway, poor man's trying to fix his wheelie bin down across the road. But yeah, I haven't like fully dried it, I've left like it a little bit damp to hopefully dry like within the next hour, but the majority is like, it's pretty much dry. I'm just going to pick up all of Nelly's dummies, of which there are usually quite a few. I know she's got 1, which means there's probably about 3. So there's another one. And yeah, I'm just basically gonna take them downstairs and sterilize them so they're ready for tonight, because she loves nothing more than to have 1 in her mouth, 1 above her head and 1 in each hand, so I cannot upset the apple cart, that's for sure.
Nelly? Nelly?
Happy holidays.
Oh, happy Christmas song. You open it? You know how? Right, come here. Come here. That. That. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that bit. Hello. Yes, you do know. Pull that back. Do what you were going to do first time round.
Well, it is now time for me to get ready. I don't know how well this is going to go because I've left my tripod downstairs, so I'm just going to have to balance you somewhere. But I'm going to curl my hair. I think I've got time to do it. I'm actually using, I've still got the box, the ABBA-less Cosy Secret. So I'm going to use that and see how I get on. Wish me luck. I haven't done it with my short hair yet, so we shall see. And obviously, just as a side note, the only reason I'm doing it here in the doorway to the office is because obviously the storm has knocked out the electrics in the bedroom, which is always fun. I used to do this so quickly. I'm so out of practice. Right, here goes.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Right, that's the head, and I just need to put some hairspray in it in a minute. I'm going to use the Tresemme Extra Hold Salon Finish, and I've also got some Tony and Guy Rough Texturizer as well, so I might spray a bit of that in. I'm going to have to do my makeup, but I'm running behind. I've literally got 5 minutes until I got to leave, so I can't talk you through my makeup, but I'll show you my finished look at the end. Wow, this is the finished look for tonight, and my outfit. I've got this top on that I bought from Vinted. I can't remember where it's from. I want to say it's like F&F or somewhere. Some black skinny jeans, and then I'm just going to wear some boots as well. So yeah, I am ready to go. I will either see you later or I'll see you tomorrow for another vlog.